Watericon is a South African-based company specializing in a full range of water treatment services. Whether municipal, residential, or industrial water treatment solutions are required, our turnkey services are available for both small and large-scale projects. We provide full maintenance and operating solutions to water purification and wastewater treatment plants of any size. Watericon supplies and installs package plants capable of treating water up to 1,200 meters cubed per day. We also design and assemble larger package plant units as more permanent structures. Watericon's package plants have a short delivery time, are pre-assembled and transported to site or assembled on-site. They are plug-in and play by nature and designed for ease of service and maintenance. Recently, Watericon supplied a 6-meter containerized borehole treatment plant that will service about 610 people in the village of Muruleng in the northwest. Another recent project involved a containerized 12-meter river water treatment plant to be situated in the town of Kwekwe, Zimbabwe. The plant will provide 12,000 people with much-needed relief by supplying drinking water. Watericon is dedicated to the development and maintenance of a suitable, sustainable future for Africa. We are at the cutting edge of innovation in the field, drawing on world-class technologies and working closely with our global research and development centers. If you require any assistance, please do not hesitate to use our free online consulting or get in contact with one of our water professionals, and we will be happy to assist you and send more information on our containerized plants and a quote.